Well, Nadine, I fixed the fascia, so you can obviously tell where it was replaced, but I hope you can't really tell. I really tried to hide it as best as I could, so from this angle you probably can't see it, but if I zoom in, then you can tell that's the board right there. It doesn't really quite fit. And this one here, this middle one, I cut it, but it is part of the old board that I reused, recycled. But if you're not looking at it from this angle from far, you can't really tell. So, another project done at the cottage.